Lots of down branches, leaves everywhere. Our neighbor's, the branch of our neighbor's tree came down. Wow, I can't even walk without getting tangled up in the branches.
Oh my God, look, there's a tree down.
Oh no, one of our old neighborhood trees came down. Everything else looks relatively intact. Our car made it. There's a tree that's turned horizontal over here. So some major branches came down from the hills. They've already cleaned up. Oh wow. There's lots of branches sitting against the power lines up here. What?
The power line has been ripped out.
What happened?
It was attached to the top of the house up there.
Oh my goodness.
Out the wood that it was attached to. So.
Wow.
Yeah. You know, that in the earthquake, that there's some.
Well, that power line seems to have hit Jean's main power line to her house. It's been ripped out, so she has no electricity. More branches down here. Oh, the big tree that was leaning, has been leaning for many years, finally came down now. Wow. Well, it's sitting inches above the power line, so it's quite a miracle that it didn't take out the power. She's literally, it is sitting on the top lines. That's what's holding it up. My goodness. Not a safe situation. Not a safe situation at all. Wow. We may lose power at any moment. Phew. Okay, I think I should call Pepco on this one. Yep, I'm going to head home and call Pepco.